Hi everybody, I want to show you guys something really cool you can use to monitor your oxygen levels in your blood. This is called a pulse oximeter. I got it for $17.99 on eBay. I ordered on March 22nd and they showed up on March 28th. And you can't see the screen here because my phone's not going to pick it up. But this thing is showing an oxygen saturation level of 97%, which is great. Anything above 95 is great. Anything below 90 is probably need to go to the emergency room, take a breathing treatment, but you and your doctor can figure that out. This is a great way to give yourself peace of mind for yourself or a family member. If you think you're having trouble breathing, sometimes it's anxiety, and you can put one of these things on your finger and go, oh, I'm just anxious, I'm really doing fine. Other times you go, oh, that number's a little weird, let me call the doctor and let's figure that out. It's really important though that you keep your hands still, that you remove all nail polish, you don't wiggle your finger, and you want this nice, I hope you guys can see that, there's a wavelength there. If you can't, just Google wavelength pulse oximeter and you'll be able to see. But you should have a nice regular wavelength. That means it's actually picking up your blood flow through the capillaries in your finger. In this case, with the way this one is turned, it's actually just showing a line that goes up and down regularly. That's your heartbeat. It should show a regular, even, steady heartbeat, which would correspond with the number that they show. See, the bottom number is your heart rate, the top number of your oxygen saturation. So this is a really cheap way to kind of monitor yourself, because you don't want to go in the ER if you don't have to right now, because they're already overburdened. You guys probably don't know I'm a registered respiratory therapist. Graduated in 1997 with a degree in cardiopulmonary sciences. And I've worked everywhere from ARDS units, which is what we are experiencing with COVID-19. ARDS unit was kind of an experimental unit that we had in downtown Orlando. And I also have developed patient education material for respiratory pulmonary rehab. Anyways, this is the pulse oximeter I got. We got 2 of them, and I really wanted to test them out because they used to be hundreds of dollars, and now they're just, 17 bucks, but this is working great. I highly recommend you guys pick one up for peace of mind, and for information you can give your doctor if you get sick. All right, guys, take care. Oh, and if you want a video about how to check peak flow, same kind of thing. It's very cheap. For $13, you can get a peak flow meter. You can check your peak flow, and that's valuable information for your doctor. Let me know, and I'll make that video too. Take care, guys. Be safe.